Hello everyone, welcome to our 2019 Future Chef competition. This year's the theme of our competition is healthy Mexican recipes. In the US, we usually assume Mexican cuisine isn't healthy. That's often because we mistake Tex-Mex for actual Mexican cuisine. In reality, most traditional Mexican dishes are low fat, high in nutrients, and packed with healthy proteins. Items such as avocados, beans, green chilies are some of the amazing items that have so much health benefits. Tonight, the chefs did a fantastic job. It was a great event. Thank you for everybody that supported this program. I'd like to thank the principals and the teachers for their help also. And we'll see you next year. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dominic Mercado. I represent Petway Elementary School. My dish was a Mexican watermelon salad. The inspiration behind it was we were in Cape May and we went to this restaurant and they gave us a sample dish of a Mexican watermelon salad, something like that. It wasn't quite what I made because I added more ingredients in to like enhance the flavor. So I added more things in and then I made that.
How do you feel to win?
I feel good.
Yeah? It's like, are you going to make more Mexican themed dishes?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Congratulations.